Okay, here we go. I'm going to do 9 and 10 now. So number 9 says a regular hexagon, 6 sides. The apothem's going to go like that, and you got to make your triangle. Right? They give you the apothem, so we know part of the formula. Remember, 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So we just need the perimeter, which means we need to find this distance. Well, we're going to do that the exact same way. We know 360 divided by 6 is 60. So this is 60 degrees, the central angle. That means we have a triangle that looks like this. That's got to be 30. That's 90, which means this has to be 60. Oh, 30, 60, 90 triangle with an apothem of 3. Well, if that was 3, remember that's the longest leg opposite the 60. So when you divide 3 by root 3, you have to rationalize, and you end up getting 3 root 3 over 3, which equals root 3. Pretty cool. Well, if that's the case, this has to be root 3. And I care about this whole distance, which is this whole distance, 6 times. That's the perimeter, correct? Well, what does that mean? If this piece is root 3 and this piece is root 3, then my side length is 2 root 3. I have 6 sides. That's my perimeter right there, which is what? 12 root 3. Well, area 1/2 apothem times 12 root 3. You see that 3 times 12 is 36. Half of 36 is 18 root 3. And then whatever our measurements were, meters, so square meters. If you want to calculate that with a calculator, have at it. But that's a prettier answer in my opinion. Regular decagon. So that's 10 sides, right? So 360 degrees divided by 10 is 36 degree central angle, which is going to get cut in half to 18, right? If the perimeter is 70, then the side length has to be 7 because we divide by 10. Which means if the whole thing is 7, this has to be 3.5. So now what we have is a new triangle. This is 3.5. This had to be 18. This had to be 18 degrees. And this is our apothem. Well, remember, if that's 18, this has to be 72 because that's perpendicular by the definition of apothem. So tan 72 is equal to opposite over adjacent, but we know we can just multiply that out here when we multiply by both sides. So my apothem, what does my apothem end up equaling? Oh, 10.77. And we already know my perimeter. The perimeter was 70. So 1/2 apothem times perimeter is equal to 377 square centimeters. All right, good luck on your assignment. Everyone stay safe. Peace.